The Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, and as always, Samsung is bringing a mix of familiar features and new innovations. There's a lot of excitement surrounding this device, but not every aspect is getting a major upgrade. While there are significant improvements in areas like the camera and design, some things are staying the same, which might leave certain users feeling divided. Let's start by looking at one of the most talked about aspects, the battery. Battery and charging. One thing that may disappoint fans is the fact that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will not have an upgraded battery capacity. Just like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the S25 Ultra will come with a 5000 mAh battery. While 5000 mAh is still a solid capacity, there's no real improvement in terms of size. On top of that, Samsung isn't boosting the charging speeds with this model, which is another area where users might have hoped for more progress. In a time when some Chinese competitors are pushing the boundaries with batteries larger than 5000 mAh and faster charging capabilities, Samsung's decision to stick with the same setup may feel a little underwhelming for those looking for cutting-edge battery technology. New design features. While the battery remains unchanged, Samsung is giving the Galaxy S25 Ultra a fresh look. One of the most noticeable design updates is the shift to rounded corners. This subtle change adds a softer, more modern appearance to the phone compared to the sharper edges seen on previous models. Along with this, the S25 Ultra is also expected to have a bigger screen with even thinner bezels, making the display feel more immersive and sleek. These adjustments may seem small, but they'll likely enhance the overall feel of the device in hand, giving a refined look that stands out. Camera upgrades. One area where Samsung is making a huge leap forward is in the camera department. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to receive a significant camera upgrade, and it's one of the features that will likely attract the most attention. First, there's the 200MP primary camera, which promises to capture incredible detail and clarity in every shot. On top of that, Samsung is including not one but 250MP telephoto cameras. These cameras will improve zoom capabilities, offering better quality zoomed-in shots without sacrificing image quality. And to round it off, there's a 50MP ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing wider scenes without losing sharpness. This combination of cameras is a massive improvement over previous models, and it's set to position the S25 Ultra as one of the top choices for smartphone photography enthusiasts. Processing power. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will offer powerful options depending on the market. In some regions, the phone will be equipped with the Exynos 2500 chip, while in others, it will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor. Both of these processors are expected to deliver top-tier performance, ensuring smooth operation whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running demanding applications. This flexibility in processing power will help Samsung cater to different market needs and preferences, providing a high level of performance across the board. While the Galaxy S25 Ultra might not see upgrades in battery capacity or charging speeds, it brings exciting changes in other areas. The new rounded design, bigger screen, and thinner bezels offer a refreshed look and feel. Most notably, the major camera upgrades with a 200MP primary camera and dual 50MP telephoto lenses are set to elevate the smartphone photography experience. With powerful processing options and the latest software, the S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a compelling choice for those seeking cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned for the first look at the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design, which could be revealed soon. Overall, despite some unchanged features, Samsung's flagship continues to push boundaries in other key aspects.